Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota RAV4 air filter. First, ensure your engine is off and cool to the touch for safety. You'll need a new air filter, which you can find at any auto parts store, and possibly a screwdriver. This straightforward process can save you money on maintenance. Let's get started by finding the air filter housing and preparing our tools. Now that you've located the air filter housing, it's time to open it up. Most RAV4 models have metal clips that you simply unlatch. Some might require a Phillips head screwdriver to remove a few screws. Once the clips or screws are undone, gently lift the top half of the housing. You'll then see the old air filter inside. Carefully pull it out. With the old filter removed, take a moment to inspect the housing for any leaves, dirt, or debris. Clean it out if needed to ensure a proper seal. Now, take your new air filter and carefully place it into the housing. Make sure it sits flush and securely in its designated spot. Then, realign the top cover of the housing and fasten it back down using the clips or screws you removed earlier. After securing the housing, give everything a quick double check to ensure all clips are latched or screws are tightened. This prevents any air leaks. Changing your air filter regularly, typically every 10,000 to 15,000 miles, improves engine performance and fuel efficiency. It's a simple task that makes a big difference. And speaking of upgrades, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.